I don't go no further than 250, 300, and then I'll get I'll get maybe 12, 15 views, and I'll just shoot it on Facebook and stuff like that. I be trying to hit up my to my office because we're going to be talking today about Shein, Temu, Amazon affiliate, where I stand on it. I'm going to tell you, this stuff is not easy. So if you're interested about getting into affiliate marketing, keep watching. And it all starts in your office and stuff that's in my house. And these nail polishes I've had for a long time. I've got some Temu nail polishes. My Temu nail polishes went well. Posted them. And then when you post your Temu, the challenge is you're trying to get some watch it. It's a challenge just to get people to want to buy something you're making videos on. But that's not the only on TikTok Shop is just so easy to hit that little TikTok button and you go right into TikTok Shop and you can add it to your cart. But this right here, I love about social media. I love editing. That's why I don't make a video and don't even know that it's discontinued. I would just come in here and I'll just start making a video. I have to get something. I don't know what it is about it. It just thrills me. And then the thrills of this new technology, I shoot it out, I go upstairs, I'll do something, and I'll just wait. I'll wait to see the numbers, see how I do. That's just a game I play almost every other day when I shoot out a video. That shit is thrilling. I don't know why. That shit is fucking thrilling to me. And I don't go no further than 250, 300, and then I'll get maybe 12, 15 views, and I'll just shoot it on Facebook and stuff like that. I be trying to hit up my messenger with some of my videos, because you have a lot of messengers, people in your messengers on your Facebook that you can just send them straight your videos. Say, they're gonna get mad at you after a while though. I know my messenger people on my Facebook Messenger, they probably took me off their list, because a lot of my YouTube traffic, I share it into my messenger so I can get some more YouTube traffic in. They're like, I'm tired of nail polish. That's all that clothes from a long time ago when Shein first jumped off. So I don't have no new Shein clothes. I have a new Shein table and desk for my. But Shein, come to find out, they want me to be approved to be a. I don't think my numbers is high enough for Shein. They want me to be approved to affiliate for them, or I'm not doing this shit correctly. Stack of stuff over here, stack of there, stack of there. Then I have some stack of books, because I'm a writer. I like to just write. And when I get so creative, I'll just write the shit down. Because sometimes your mind, you be out there smoking them trees, you be like, oh, that's some good shit. Write that shit down, because when you make it up to your camera, you probably done forgot. I got some good shit, because I'll be in the moment, I'll be. But I am not an everyday social media influencer like you will see. I am the new generation. Get your cameras out and start talking about something you're into. Like, I'm into really editing. I'm going to get into in another video of editing. But anywho, let's see. Amazon is impressing me. I was not messing with Amazon for a minute. I didn't upload no videos last year since November, but every month I get some money from Amazon. At least $100. And, so some of my season products is up. My kitchen products, my racks that I did for Amazon, and bad lighting. Those is my top sellers. Downstairs, I did one wig. It was a long ass wig review. That's one of my top sellers on Amazon. I think enjoyment excites me. Ain't everybody for this, but it excites me. And then when I get on here, my numbers is coming up. You know, it's like a purpose. I hate unpurposeful time. Me. You know? I did prison time when I could not do shit on social media. So I'm out here and free of the mud. You thinking I'm not going to try to get on here and try to get some of them hundreds of thousands of dollars that's potentially could flow my way? I'm going to give it a shot. But I'm actually a great time with editing. It thrills me. It thrills me, and I'm still at it. My hand gets to twitching. I use nails because I couldn't type that well with editing because it thrills me. And then when I'm watching new edits come out, it thrills me. It really do. It really do. My nails because I couldn't type that well with editing. You like to be kicking it with your dude or new dude, and y'all be like, hey, you know, you ready to make that video? Say, today is video day. You want to come over here and fuck with me? You know, would you like to be kicking it? That's sexy as fuck. To have a camera, you and your new dude, and y'all talking about making videos and talking about it because, you know, true, a lot of people ain't up on game. And who don't like another person that's up on some game?